Hi everyone, this is a quick tutorial on how to run a geoprog on a stick well. So you can see in my map I have the sections green and well blue. So I'm just gonna add another well, the first thing. I'm just gonna click here and edit a line and I'm gonna put here, it doesn't have to be any perfect. Alright. So once you're done, the lower panel will pop up and you will have two sections that you want to check. The first one, it has the information of the well. You can go here. I'm gonna go and add a well name. I need my new well, yeah. And the elevation, I know the elevation of the well next to it, so I'm just gonna use the same one and a KB. Well, since also this drawing is on a map, all the C values for the elevation are gonna be 0. So in this case, since it's a TBD for wells, you're just gonna start with 0. And I'm gonna go here, and it's gonna be how deep. And since I know this area, going north is shallower, I'm just gonna put 9,900. All right, and save it. All right, once saved, I can go to extensions and geoprognosis, and let's run the geoprognosis on this well. So, two things that it's asking for is the wells and the earth formations. So, let's get it. Why is it not asking about the sections? It's because sections is a feature layer. So that means that GeoNotebook is smart enough to know that your well is on top of those two sections. So you don't have to worry about it. There you go. Here is my new well. And now select the formations. And select my 3 formations. And let's run it. You're all set. Alright. So now this is what was done. And that's it. Now I have the geoprog footage call and the information intersections with all the description. That's pretty much it.